Hi, I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be going through this yellow sticker Asda haul. So I'm going to start off with this mince. It was reduced down to 50p and it was originally £4.25, reduced down to 50p. Next one is this. It was originally £5.30, reduced down to, I think that's the original sticker, yep, originally £5.30, reduced down to 65p. Got a 3-pack of those, so this is another one. And another one. Leave that there. Up next is this vegan Wellington. 500 grams. Over here. It got reduced down to 50p and it was originally, finally managed to find the bottom sticker, and it was actually no, is that not the bottom sticker? Oh yeah, this is the bottom sticker, originally £5, so £5 to 50p. So that's only 10% of the cost. 10%? Yes, 10%. Chicken and gravy short crust pastry pie. This got reduced down to 25p. And it was originally probably gonna have to search it up online because I've managed to ruin the sticker, so no idea. It's probably about £1 or something. Just search that later. Next is a indulgent sticky toffee pudding. As you can see, it just keeps getting reduced and reduced until it's the end of the day. Oh, well, one of the sticker before the end of the sticker is £1.80, so let's see, almost there, and probably peeled off the entire. Oh wait, it's finally revealed. It was originally £2.50. It got reduced down to 25p. Tasty bargain. This is a cheesy savoury, so eat this today. This got reduced down to 30p. I think it was originally £1.05. Got 2 of these pizzas, these meatball deep pan Asda medium-sized pizzas, quite a nice chunk. So this got reduced down to 30p and it was originally, let's see what it was originally. Looked like it was originally £3.20 and then got reduced down to 30p for 30p each one. Oh, this pizza, this extra special mozzarella tomato sourdough pizza was reduced down to 80p and it was originally, finally peeled it all the way down, it was originally £4.30, reduced down to 80p. This baked Philly cheese steak pie is, this Philly cheese steak pie was reduced down to 20p and it was originally, £1.75p, but I'm pretty sure it's normally £1, so I'm going to double check on that one. So it got reduced down to 20p, so quite a tasty bargain lunch. This one is a vegan 2 dark chocolate and raspberry hearts. This got reduced down to 40p. And it was originally £2.50. This sweet chili chicken noodle salad, so this is probably going to be my dinner tonight. Depending when you see this video, it's probably already eaten. This got reduced down to 50p and it was originally and I've managed to peel the sticker off. It got reduced at some point down to £1.69, so what was the original price? No one knows. I think I peeled off the price, so searched this up online how much it originally was, but it got reduced down to 50p. All this ended up being £7.44. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for more content.